Why can't you import media in Davinci Resolve? Whether it's a video, audio file or a picture, sometimes Davinci Resolve is not allowing them. In here I'm having file number 1 which is MP4 and file number 2 which is MKV. As you can see, I can successfully import the MP4 file, but that's not the case for file number 2 which is MKV. In order to import it, I need to right click on it and rename it the extension of the video file format. So I right click on it, select rename, then I highlight the file extension which is the MKV, and then I'm typing MP4. Pop-up message will appear and you wanna click yes. Sometimes if you're having emojis in the file name, also you have to delete them in order to import the media. And also there is a rare cases where your file is MP4 but you still cannot import it in Davinci Resolve, and this is mainly because of the codec of the MP4. I did some research and in here I'm leaving all of the file formats and codecs for the video file, audio file and pictures that are supported by Davinci Resolve. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment and see you in the next video.